how did you find academically, and how has your journey been with academically so far?
So I got to know about academically through social media.
Okay.
So and some of my colleagues suggested it as well.
Okay.
So they suggested like if you have to crack opera in your first attempt, just choose academically.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Academically. As the March opera results are finally out, and our students have outdone themselves as always. We have our student Sarah here with us, and she has also cleared her opera exam. So, congratulations, Sarah, and we are extremely proud of you.
Thanks a lot.
How are you feeling, Sarah? Tell us about yourself. How did you choose academically? How was your journey been till now?
So I'm Sarah. I'm from Sri Lanka, currently residing in Australia, and I have graduated from University of Jaffna. I have completed Bachelor of Pharmacy. So in order to pursue my career here in Australia, I had to pass my opera exams. So that's it. Like, yeah.
So, how did you find academically, and how has your journey been with academically so far?
So I got to know about academically through social media.
Okay.
So and some of my colleagues suggested it as well. So they suggested like if you have to crack opera in your first attempt, just choose academically. So that's how I got to know, and it was really like up to the mark from the beginning.
Yeah.
So yeah, it was all good. From
That's
your
great, Sarah. We would
Yeah.
also love to know your experience as a student. How was your experience as a student when you were going to appear for the opera exam? How was the exam like? How was the exam pattern? Were there any negative marking? Please tell us a little about that.
Okay, so it's been like 2 years since I finished my graduation. So I was like totally out of contact with my syllabus. So when I came into contact with academically, so they gave all the content. So you all gave, right? So it was so all the contents were like precise, organized. So I was going through all the notes and mainly the mocks actually. So it was like after every sessions, I went through all the mocks, cleared it until the end. So about the exams, it was okay actually. So he all gave like we mostly focused on certain parts this time, like according to the weightage. So I was able to do the questions actually. So there was no negative marking. So
Okay,
this time,
that's great.
yeah. So there was no negative marking. Yeah.
Okay, that's pretty amazing, Sarah. And was this your first attempt?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, this was your first attempt. That's great. So, what would you like to suggest to people who are going to take the opera exam in the upcoming, exams? So, what would you suggest to them as a person who has cleared the opera exam? Where to focus, where to concentrate? What are the things that they need to be careful about?
So don't wait until the last moment. So from the beginning, when you all like complete each session, just go to the notes, take your own short notes, and also like complete all the mocks. So that's the main thing. Actually, mostly the questions got repeated from the mocks. So I have to mention about the grand test. We had two grand tests at the end. So some questions were like, so the same questions I got. So it was like very helpful and I was very happy about it. And so you don't have to wait until the last moment. So just from the beginning, like prepare for it. So give your like 100% for it, and you will crack it at the first attempt.
Okay, that's great. That's really helpful, I'm sure. So, anything that you would like to say to the academically team? Just my last question.
Of course, I'm like so thankful. Like I don't know how to thank you all. Like because I was like I didn't have any content with me. Like I didn't have any books, notes, and also so all the contents were given by you all, and I didn't go through in extra. Like I didn't go through any books. Just only the contents which you all given. So It was really helpful, and all the mocks were like, yeah, got repeated, and I'm so happy. Yeah, keep doing your good work actually. So it's like raising so much. I mean, very helpful for people. So
Yeah.
yeah, that's it. Like,
Thank you
thank you
so
so
much.
much.
Thank you so much, Sarah, for your feedback. And as you mentioned that you're already in Australia, so I'm sure it's going to be easier for you to get a job now that you are there. You have cleared the exam, so you will definitely get an amazing job. We really hope the best for you. And thank you so much for taking out your time and coming here and giving this interview. That really means a lot. And I would like to wish on behalf of all the academically team a very, very all the best from all the academically team.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Have a great time ahead. Enjoy your time. Please celebrate. Enjoy.
Of course. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.